I wanted to talk to you about something that many people don't think about when they get into the car design environment. And starting from school, there are some young kids that start school thinking that to go to a design school it's like going to engineering or architecture or medicine, those universities where basically it is enough to go there, do your homework, get your exams, get good grades, and that's it. In design school, it's not like that. Design schools, we have more of a competition thing. A lot of people discover when they start school. This is something that can kind of hurt some people because they are not mentally strong enough to understand that that type of competition, it's exactly what they will discover during their working time once they get a real designing job, especially in car design. Probably in product design is different, but in car design, design studios, whether it's a small design studio or a big company, automobile company design studio, competition is always there. It will be during the whole designer career, from junior designer until design manager. At my age, at work, I can still see and feel the competition. Even if for me it's different, of course, because of my age. So this is something that will be with you from the beginning, probably until the end. And the better you have, better career you have, more people you will find that will love you, and more people you will find that will try to take you down because they jealousy or because they looking for that job to take your place. In general, we say that the most important thing is it's not or the hardest thing, it's not sometimes to get the good job, but it is to keep it. So what we're talking about today, it's the mental strength that you can have in your brain, okay, that you can have as a human being. So my strong advice is that you have to play the game of the competition. You cannot think to go into a design school, a good design school, and not play that game because everybody else will. And if you don't do it, or if you are too much of a good, wise guy, correct 100% with everybody, basically what can happen is that the other people gonna get the job, the internship, and you will be always a sort of a second choice or third choice. Of course, the most important thing is always your portfolio, your skills, the human factor, as I always say. But at the same time, don't show yourself not in competition. You have to find a way, what I call a sane competition. You have to find a way to fit into that same competition, to show that you don't back up to the first difficulties or the first things that probably some classmates or some teachers might do. Because when you will get to the real designer world at work, this you will see a lot. In some cases, once in a while, and in other cases, if you are kind of successful, you will find that a lot of people smile at you, and then in your back they try, either to take your place or to put you in a bad posture, even if it's not true. So the message I give you today is that be wise, be competitive, keep your eyes wide open, and do the best you can with your skills, of course. Don't forget that to get a job, to get an internship, it's portfolio, skills, creativity, human factor, and I would add the last value, which has to be keep your eyes open, be smart. Okay, let's say that way, be smart. All right, thank you very much. And now I think that that's it. Ciao.